Hi, my name's Sydney and this is
Elvia.
And today we are making mystery slime.
The slime workshop.
I love this book because it has 20 different slimes.
My favorites are butter, foam, and glow-in-the-dark slime.
My favorites are clear. Yeah, that's my favorites.
Yeah.
Now we are going to be making our slime. What you'll be needing is glue, a bowl, and
Activator. You can use contact solution or borax in hot water. And your accessories.
ooh, she got green. My turn. I got blue.
Glitter.
Okay, my turn. I got red.
Purple. And you get the glitter.
Okay, and I get this glitter.
Now let's make our slime.
Yeah.
First we'll be adding in the glue.
Yeah, the glue first. Okay. Well, this is very white and glossy. Make sure you get almost all of that glue. We are going
To add in our dye.
our food dyes. And you can only do one if you want. I'm going to do one, which is my blue. And we are going to be using our hands.
I'm trying to do dark purple.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. My finger's going to be dyed blue. Woohoo. And then probably this bowl.
You can do glitter.
And this is what it looks like so far. It's a pretty nice blue.
Now we'll add in our activator.
Glitter. Well, I'm not.
Oh,
Okay, now I'm going to be adding my
it looks cool when
activator.
you add it in.
Ooh, I think I just over-activated it.
Keep adding.
Activator until it's coming off the bowl. And this is what it looks like so far.
I add little bits at a time so I don't overactivate it and then it gets hard.
Yeah.
And I don't want to add too much.
Oh gosh, I'm scared. I don't want to over-activate this because I really want this to come together.
And we're using our hands instead
Yes.
of spoons.
It's starting to activate.
You just keep having to knead it until it gets
Mine
to
finished.
a consistency that
You can add more if you want. You can add more glue if it got too hard.
you can add more activator.
Yep.
You can add beads. You can add instant snow, whatever you like.
Yeah, and I am going to be showing what you can do with slime. Poke it, you can stretch it and you can make bubbles, which is really fun, like that. So I hope you liked this
Our video.
So yeah, have fun, never give up making slime. Bye! Hi, my name's Sydney and this is my friend
Elvia!
and today, Elvia, I want to get to making the slime.